What is going on, YouTube? I'm here with TradeUI, showing you how you can use all their tools to give yourself a trading edge. Today, I have a cool tool for y'all that will help you become a better trader and teach you when to get in and get out of day trades and swing trades you might be in. So, the tool I want to talk about today is the Aggressive Buyer Index, or also known as the ABI. What the ABI does is it tracks aggressive put calling, put selling, call buying, and call selling. So for all my option traders out there, if you see large orders coming on the put side or the call side, you'll be able to determine what direction the stock's going to go by throwing in your technical analysis to give yourself good targets. The beautiful thing about using the ABI, you know when it's going to happen. Because we can always determine where a stock is going to go based off what we think, setting up our chart, setting up our support and resistance lines. But knowing when people put in the money, then we really get to identify exactly when it is a good time to get in. So you can use it for SPY, you can use it for any indexes, or you can use it for a stock that may have bullish pre-market activity. So a good one I want to show y'all today, this is actually a trade that I executed as well. We're going to talk about run, RUN. So sometimes it takes a little bit of time for the data to load, but once it's loaded, it'll be lifetime updating. This is after market closed, so just be patient on actually working on the site yourself. So run, RUN, is the stock that we're going to look at. And I can see right at the open, we had a huge amount of call premium to the sell side. So remember, when we have call premium to the sell side, that means the stock's going to go down, right? All right. Now I want y'all to notice this too. Towards the end of the day, we had a lot of put premium to the buy side, roughly around 3 o'clock. It actually started pretty aggressively around 2:10, but it continued all the way from 2 to 3. So I want y'all to remember, we were bearish here, right at the open, and we were bullish here right towards the end of the day. So when I go to my chart here, look what we got. It's beautiful. Right at the open, we sold off all day long. All right, that would have been huge contracts if you would have bought puts on that at the open. And then let's see, right around 2 to 3, right in this area, you can see we start riding back up. That move actually started right around, let's see, where's my time at here? Right around 2 o'clock right here. Right when those puts started coming in, right when those puts that were being sold started coming in, they started rolling and going all day, and they kept going. So we found, just by looking at the option activity, we were able to identify both moves roughly around the time that they happened. But now I got to be smart and be like, well, Lane, how do I do this as a day trader? Well, let me tell you. Look at this big support line that we have right in here, right around this $23.84 level. If you really want to get technical, it's right around the $23.63. So if you were to draw a line right there, let's go ahead and draw one down real quick. Let's see, where's my price? There it is. All right, it takes me a minute to find it. So you have roughly right here and roughly right here. That'd be a good spot right here because we had a touch here and a touch here all throughout that trading day there. And as you can see, kind of like an arbitrary zone to where it kind of got back here and pulled down. But look what happened here. It ran all the way and almost touched that level. For me, I like to use the VWAP as a good target zone. So from here to here, that would have been an awesome move. Actually, on my short-term put spread, I actually have a position open now to where I sold some puts right here, right at the money, and I'm up 20% on that. But at the end of the day, guys, everybody has a different strategy they can use. The one thing I want to show y'all is how you can use TradeUI's Aggressive Buyer Index to identify when a directional shift in a day trade is expected to happen. You see a lot of activity when you see selling puts and selling calls, but don't forget about people buying puts. Don't forget about people buying calls. In this case, there wasn't really many buying calls going on. Maybe one little marker right here. But the beautiful thing is, if you want to filter all of that out, you can just click here, and you just focus on two things, selling calls and selling puts. So if you find a spike in the pre-market and then you want to see what the consensus is overall for the trading day, look at the open, follow it down to your levels that you ran your technical analysis on, and then if you see a reversal, don't be afraid to take that opportunity and go. If you want to check out more videos on the ABI and the other features TradeUI has to offer, go ahead and click on that link in the description below. That'll take you to TradeUI. It'll show you everything. It'll give you access to the Discord that we have, where you can also work with some traders that will help make you a better trader. I'm going to go ahead and throw y'all a 10% discount code in the coupon below. And if you want to go ahead and try out the trial first, there's a 2-week trial you can work on, see if it's for you. And if it is, stick around. If it's not, we understand. Go find something else. But I can tell you at the end of the day, you're not going to find a more powerful tool than TradeUI. All right, guys, this is it for the day. Take care.